Imagine being verbally attacked, unfairly criticized, or provoked, and responding not with anger or fear, but with calm control and inner confidence. Instead of taking the attack personally, you understand that most verbal attacks are not really about you, but about the other person's insecurity, envy, or need for control. People often attack to feel superior, to quiet their own feelings of failure, or to provoke a reaction, so they can feel powerful over your emotions. When you realize this, the attack stops feeling like a weapon aimed at your heart and becomes simple information about the attacker's mindset. By staying calm and emotionally detached, you move from being a victim to being an observer who analyzes rather than reacts. This shift gives you power because emotional reactions make you predictable, while calm makes you untouchable. The first move is often no move at all, just silence and reflection, allowing the attacker to reveal their weakness while you remain steady in control and mentally above the situation. When someone attacks you verbally, denying it emotionally or attacking back only makes you look weak or drops you to their level, which is exactly what the attacker wants. A stoic and strategic person understands that emotional reaction is the fuel the attacker needs. So the first goal is to cut that fuel off. When the insult or criticism comes, you do nothing. Keep your face neutral, stay calm, and hold eye contact without anger, almost with detached curiosity. You say nothing and let their words fade into the silence you create, which is a powerful shield because it exposes them as the only one losing control. Your calm shows that their attempt to disturb you has failed and makes their aggression look excessive and irrational. Once they are unsettled, you move to the next step, not by attacking but by redirecting. Instead of responding to the insult, you ask calm, simple questions that focus on their intention, not the content of the attack. For example, if someone criticizes your work aggressively, you calmly ask what result they're trying to achieve by speaking that way. If someone insults you, you ask if everything is okay because you sense strong emotion. If someone makes a vague accusation, you ask for a specific example. These questions force them to explain themselves and often weaken their position. The key to all of this is your tone, which must stay calm, neutral, and controlled, because your composure is what gives you power. There is no sarcasm and no anger. You stay calm like a psychologist, a strategist, a chess master, using the other person's energy to throw them off balance. First, you reflect the attack with silence and calm. Then you redirect it by putting their intention under focus. And now comes the final move, reframing. Reframing means taking full control of the story by ignoring the frame your attacker tried to force on you and replacing it with your own, where their attack is nothing more than unimportant information. When someone criticizes you aggressively and later says they just want things done well, you calmly acknowledge the feedback and move on, showing you never accepted blame or conflict. You simply treated it as data. When someone provokes you and then backs off, you calmly close the moment and return to what matters to you, showing their attempt failed. This three-step method is simple but powerful. Reflect by staying silent and calm. Deny them emotional reaction. Redirect by asking calm questions that shift focus to their intent. And reframe by classifying their attack as irrelevant and ending the interaction on your terms. This is not about winning arguments, but showing that you cannot be played. And once people experience this, they think twice before attacking you again. In a world full of ego battles and emotional conflicts, this system allows you to move through situations not like a fighter in chaos, but like a calm general observing from above, grounded, controlled, and untouchable.